Greetings, Denison community. I just wanted to reach out and provide some updates and some announcements. And if I'm being perfectly truthful, just wanted to find a way to connect. You know, unlike most of you, I continue to wake up on campus every day. And just woke up this morning, looked at our beautiful campus, thought about how much I love Denison year round, but in particular how much I love it in April. And just wanted to find a way to reach out and connect with people. You know, most of last week was really spent moving towards remote learning formats. And first and foremost, I just want to thank our faculty. I want to thank them for all the time, the effort, the creativity, all the ways that they're doing the best they can to take what's not a particularly great situation and make the best of it. I also want to encourage students to make sure that you're connecting and talking and supporting each other, but also make sure you're talking to your faculty. If you're having issues, you're having challenges, reach out to faculty. They're here, they want to be supportive, they want to do everything they can to work with you to make the most out of the rest of the semester. The other major area of focus last week was really emptying out the campus and moving to remote work environments for most people. We have most people working from home now so that those members of our staff who have to come to the campus have safe work environments. This week, we're kind of turning our attention to also trying to kind of think in creative ways about recreating some of the wonderful pieces of our community in more remote formats. So I want to thank the Bullsheet. Thank you for continuing to publish. I want to thank the Denisonian for continuing to write articles. I want to take my hat off to Hillel for doing a virtual Shabbat dinner on Friday night. I want to acknowledge the volleyball team for doing a virtual volley on TikTok. I'd encourage other student organizations, other groups of students, athletic teams, arts organizations, burpees, everybody in between, to think about ways you might be able to continue to connect with each other and even connect to the larger community online. Our student development team is also doing some creative thinking, and I think you'll be hearing more from them probably the end of this week or next week about some virtual events and other kinds of things we're going to try to do. And then I just wanted to talk a little bit to our senior class. I want to kind of officially say what I suspect many of you know by now, which is that we will postpone graduation. The state of Ohio is on a shelter in place at least through April, if not through a part of May. At this point, holding graduation on May 16th just isn't realistic. What I want to do instead are two things. One is on May 16th, we will do some sort of online virtual ceremony that in particular allows us to officially graduate our seniors. I then want to work with a group of our seniors, some of our students, to plan some sort of event ceremony that includes a celebration that we can do on campus in late July, probably maybe early August. We'll nail that date down pretty soon. But I want to start this week putting together a group of seniors who can work with us to plan something that's big, bold, and fun. Just because it's different doesn't mean we can't do a really great graduation event on campus at some point this summer. Lastly, I want to close with the reflection. At its core, Denison's about people, and it's about the relationships that we form with each other and the ways that those relationships shape our lives. I just been so proud at that part of our culture and the way that people have demonstrated it the last couple weeks. So I want to thank our students, our faculty, our staff for the way you continue to reach out to each other, to support each other, to do everything we can for this wonderful college, but also for each other during what is an incredibly difficult and challenging time. Thank you.